Swifts is just so nice. The finest house in Sydney, according to some, and I don't want to disagree with that statement. And what a fantastic setting it is for the cars.
Our job today with the judges is to pick the best class winners, and what we've done today is we're looking at things from an elegance point of view. James and then the owners themselves, they'll pick the best to show tonight in the AXA Sydney Harbour Concours d'Elegance Gala dinner, so that's down to them.
This is so impressive. You don't get views like this anywhere else in the world, and these are fantastic cars. It was really important for us to sponsor this event because this is a perfect opportunity to coincide with our launch event of our new private client proposition, and these superb cars demand the best cover, and we're looking forward to being a long-term partner.
If you look around and look at these cars, it is a result of craftsmanship because most of them are handmade. And of course it takes a lot of passion and love for the owners to maintain or restore the cars to the level you see here.
What drew me into buying the Lamborghini Miura was, I think that started when I was about 9 and I saw this car in a magazine, and I still have that magazine. The engine is 6 inches behind your back. You're intimately aware of the engine every moment, and it really feels as if there's this angry, noisy mass just shoving you down the road.
The thing that really gets me going is the design of the cars. Some of these beautiful designs you just don't see anymore, and this is a fantastic event.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Royal Automobile Club of Australia and to the AXA Sydney Harbour Concours d'Elegance, powered by Ferrari. It's lovely to see you all here this evening. We're very excited. This club was built in 1903, so at the very dawn of motoring, a great opportunity for us to celebrate the motor car.